Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use your GoPro Hero 8 as a webcam. The items that you're going to need is, one, you're going to need your GoPro Hero 8. Number two, you're going to need the media mod. I don't have it in the media mod yet. The media mod runs about, I think it's $80 on the GoPro website. Amazon, I think about the same. You might be able to find it cheaper in some places, but it's pretty new, so for the most part it's going to be about $80. And lastly, you're going to need either a capture card, or you can get one of these that I have. It's the Elgato Cam Link 4K. Pretty much it allows you to link a webcam, or not a webcam, it allows you to link like a DSLR camera like I'm using right now, or your GoPro or something like that to your computer. Okay guys, so first thing you're going to want to do is put your GoPro in your media mod, and there's one more piece that you're going to need, which is an HDMI cable, and the other end is going to be like a micro HDMI. You can just look it up. If you look at the specs on the media mod, it'll tell you what all ports it comes with, and one of them's going to be an HDMI. If you're not sure which one to get, it should say which port it comes with. It's going to be this top port up here. So you're going to plug it in to the GoPro, and then you're going to plug the other HDMI piece into the Cam Link, because the Cam Link has an HDMI piece. And then you're going to plug the USB into your computer. So I'm going to do that right now. And after you plug it into your computer, you're going to want to go into OBS. So when you go into OBS, I just created a new source, and then I click like video capture device. I go over to video capture device, and then I click Cam Link. And then once I have Cam Links selected, and I have the GoPro on, it should go to a black screen. I might have to restart this. Yeah, so after you plug it in, it should go to, your GoPro should go to a black screen, and this should pop up. You're going to want to pick up your GoPro after you have it plugged in, and you're going to click the mode button, which is also the power button. You're going to click it once, twice, and then once you get over to that little camera icon, you're going to click the top record button. And then it's going to show this. Now to get this off, you're going to want to go all the way over to that eye with like a line through it. So you're going to click mode, 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 and then click the record button. And it's a little glitchy. I think with 4K it'll kind of glitch. If you have it in 1080p 60 or something like that, it shouldn't have any glitching with it, but mine is kind of glitchy. So if you look in the back, that is actually the light mod for the GoPro. It's so bright. That's why I'm getting my lighting right now. But yeah, so that is how you do it. If you want me to show you guys exactly how I plugged it in, here's the, one second, let me flip my camera over. Here's the micro HDMI plugged into, if it'll focus. The micro HDMI plugged into the GoPro, and it's coming all the way down. HDMI plugged into the Cam Link, and then the USB that comes with the Cam Link all the way into this device, which is actually, it gives me extra ports. I only come with 2 ports, so I use this device to give me extra USB ports. So you plug it into your computer, and then voila. Not too many steps. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and I'll try to help as much as possible. If this wasn't informative enough, hopefully I can help you in the comments. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hi.
Hey.
Welcome back to our channel.
Back to our channel that we don't have. If this goes on anything, this is my channel.
Okay.
Oh, why is it?